Lovely and nice, and welcome back in my kitchen. I want to say basically I get a request for banana smoothie. Basically I did two now, and this one I'm gonna make 3 banana smoothie recipe of ideas. Someone asked for the recipes of ideas, or they can make some different ideas of banana smoothie and different things. Basically I'm gonna give you another recipe today where you can mix all ingredients together and it come one thing. Basically I got some vanilla ice cream, I got ripe banana, and also I got some low fat natural yogurt, which we're gonna use also to make this lovely smoothie. Guys, honestly, it is nice and it's good to have ideas, especially when you want to make something different. Especially the time is getting hot, these things do come up. If you go anywhere right now, the time is very hot, especially during the day. You know, you can really come back home, you can quickly mix up something really nice and even drink it instantly. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy the recipe, and remember my cooking book is out. Get your copy and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We got your recipe coming out day by day. Nice and lovely. So we're back in the kitchen one more time. Basically, I know you know me now, I'm gonna use my little smoothie blender right here, guys. I love it, guys. If you can get one of these smoothie blender, I'm telling you, try and get one. It's just awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna make you a nice, lovely smoothie with banana and this is some yogurt. 1 medium-sized fingers of banana, and this is some natural yogurt, low fat. Lovely and nice. Look at the thickness of the yogurt. Lovely. So roughly I use, that is half of 500 gram. Lovely and nice. And then basically one tablespoon of syrup. That is red syrup. Basically I would say you can get red syrup at any local shop to buy, guys. Any local shop you can get that one to buy. The next thing, I have some vanilla ice cream, which I'm gonna put, that's a large spoon of vanilla ice cream. Another large spoon of vanilla ice cream. So basically that 2 large spoons of vanilla ice cream. I have some whole milk just to free up the blender. We're gonna put some milk inside of it, roughly 1/4 cups of milk. That is whole milk. You can get milk at any local shop, supermarket to buy, or any shop. So basically right inside of in my smoothie blender I got runs medium-sized banana and roughly 1/2 cups of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream, and also 1 tablespoon of red syrup. Blend it for roughly 3 to 4 minutes, and you guys, trust me, it's just really nice, and I know you guys will just love it. So let's tighten this good and make sure it locks really good and seal it. So nice. So I blend that roughly about 3 to 4 minutes. Move my blender. Basically, get my smoothie glass right there. And basically pour it straight inside of it like this. Man, look at the color. Because what happened now, the syrup give it a different look and a different, as you can see, the way the syrup just change it completely. So that's exactly what I'm talking about, guys, with the red syrup. And hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. So the reason why we are using so much banana and making so much smoothie, because banana is a lot of vitamin. It's really good for you, and trust me, you can try this one at home, guys, if you like the recipe with natural yogurt, ice cream and syrup little milk. Really nice, goes really well. So enjoy the recipe and leave your comments. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Lovely and nice. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy that lovely, wonderful smoothie recipe with the banana and ice cream and yogurt. It just beautiful, beautiful, guys. You know, sometimes a lot of people write things, but you have to create something to make someone write something, and I have to do something to make someone have to say something. So guys, if you like this recipe, write it below. So thank you, Chef Ricardo. It's just a request of ideas of things how you can use it to make banana smoothie, yogurt smoothie, ice cream smoothie. All these little things is just really nice when you can do this at home, especially in the summer when the kids are off school. It's a good idea to do. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking program in my kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much. Bye bye.